In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install the Delta Force mobile version game on your PC. So let's get started right away. If you want to play Delta Force Mobile on your PC, you will need to use the BlueStacks emulator. Open up your web browser and type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you into the BlueStacks website. Click on the download button to download the installer and open it up. You can then click through the next buttons to install the emulator on your device. Once it is installed, you can gain access to your Android home screen. From there, you can open up the Google Play Store and now click on the search box to search for the Delta Force game. Once you find Delta Force, you can tap on the install button. Now this will begin the download and installation of the game within your device. You will need to wait until the process is completed, and you can also enable the auto open toggle, which will open up the game once it's done installing. Once the game opens up, you can check your keyboard controls and start using your mouse by pressing the F1 button. And now you can continue with logging in and start enjoying the Delta Force mobile game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Delta Force Mobile on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.